So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Karine Builders. In this video we are going to continue working on our Honda WRV. So in this video we are going to install the clutch cylinder and today we are going to install it. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is the new clutch cylinder. It is nice and working, and this is our old clutch cylinder. See how it is making noises. So let's install this clutch cylinder over here. We can't solve this problem because of the clutch cylinder was bad. So for this video, this is going to be it. In the next video we are going to work on our new build, so please stay tuned for that video. So thank you for watching. This is going to be it. Like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye.